Hi authors, my name is Kelsey Worsham, and I'm a Content and Customer Service Specialist here at Written Word Media. Welcome to our video. Today, we're going to be discussing writing prompts, why you should be using them, how to use them, and most importantly, where to find them. Let's go ahead and get started. To get started, let's talk about why you should be using writing prompts as an indie author. Any author knows that getting started can often be the hardest part in the writing process. Sometimes our mind needs an idea to trigger our creative flow. Writing prompts are frequently short, to the point, and contain one or two ideas for a short story or even an entire book. They are specifically shared to be used, so don't feel like letting a writing prompt inspire you is copying someone. At the same time, you're free to be inspired by a writing prompt and put your own spin on it. Some authors find writing prompts very helpful because it gets their brain into that writing zone. Personally, I like to read writing prompts in my favorite genres for a little inspiration. If you write mystery, maybe you'd like a mystery writing prompt. Or perhaps you want to test out an entirely new genre. That's up to you. It can be fun to try out new waters and challenge ourselves that way. If you're ready to get inspired, you can check out our very own website for a list of 500 writing prompts. These span a wide variety of genres, from general fiction to young adult and horror, plus even more. We've also found some amazing prompts through Readsy and Instagram accounts like Writing Prompts. So there you have it. That's how to use writing prompts to launch your next, most creative writing session yet. Let us know if you have any questions or if you used writing prompts in the past and had success with them. We'd love to hear about it. Happy writing!